Hello everyone, myself Vani Sharma. In today's class, I discuss about the blood clotting. In the blood, deprived of the platelets, clotting time in glass tube is prolonged. Next is the activation of prothrombin is incomplete. Formed clot do not retract. Platelets are necessary for the intrinsic clotting process by releasing the platelet factor 3, which causes conversion of prothrombin to thrombin by factor 10 and 5. Next is the clot retraction. Clot retraction occurs by shortening of fibrin fibers produced by contraction of attached platelet pseudopodia and which contain the actomyosin-like protein. Agents which inhibit the cell metabolism or enzyme activity also inhibit the clot retraction. Blood allowed to clot in a glass tube at 37 degrees Celsius begin to show the clot retraction after 30 minutes. Next step is the phagocytosis. Carbon particles, immune complexes, and viruses are phagocytosed by platelets, a vestigial mechanism of the clearing particulates material from the blood. Next is the storage and transport. Stores of 5-HT and histamines which are released by the platelet disintegration. They also take up 5-HT by active transport, epinephrine and the potassium. Next is the known hematological functions of platelet. That is the inflammation. Platelets have the 4 features common to all the inflammatory cells. Possesses wide range of inflammatory mediators, presence of receptor for the other inflammatory cells, ability to respond the non-noxious stimuli cooperative with other inflammatory cells. Next is the platelet and growth factors are the PDGF, EGF, FGF are released from alpha granules of platelets. Next is the platelets and neurotransmitter. Despite being of different embryological origin, it has been shown that the platelets behave like the serotonergic neurons in CNS. Thus, they provide a neuronal model for studying the neurons. Platelet and the metastasis promote the tumor survival in bloodstream by protecting tumor cells from attack by NK cells. Platelets in asthma, release of the PAF and PF4 causes the bronchial hyperreactivity. Hemostasis, physiology of the coagulation test for clotting, clot retraction, fibrinolysis, actino, anticoagulants. There are the hemostasis steps, that is prevention of the blood loss. Mechanisms by which the hemostasis is achieved. There are the vascular constriction, platelet plug formation, blood clot, and fibrinolysis, anticoagulant. Clot retraction and fibrinolysis, that is the tertiary hemostasis. Blood clot formation is the secondary hemostasis, and primary hemostasis is the vascular constriction and platelet plug formation. Thank you for watching.